Yeah, no matter if you are just shopping around to find the perfect coffee for you, or you're grinding or even roasting your own coffee beans, then I have the perfect device to analyze the results. You can optimize, judge what has happened, also have something in hand to talk to sellers or even manufacturers. That could be absolutely awesome. And that's this DiFluid Omni coffee roast degree and particle size analyzer device. By the way, I got this device from the seller for free to show you all the really nice details and how it works, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. And so we get everything what we need, everything in really one device with all the accessories. It's even rechargeable. Here we have the main device, we have all the trays, comes even with 2 measuring spoons, charging cable, display protection, cleaning brush, comes even with the free app. The only thing which you have to bring is your own coffee beans or ground coffee, but let's now get to the details and how it works. Yeah, already how we get it is absolutely amazing. Watch this super sturdy case here with this nice handle. So everything here inside is really nicely protected, and here we get a lot of information here inside. Then this part, the main part of course, second layer also with a part gas bottom plate, and even a third layer where we have all the additional accessories really nicely packaged. So even the different size of measuring spoons, the USB cable and the brush, everything has its own perfect space here inside. And so here we have everything really nice, and so we can see this device a little bit closer. It's definitely a very solid build and even beautiful device. So this set could be a perfect gift for every coffee enthusiast. There's no doubt about that. Of course, the reason why I'm showing this coffee here is that we are going to analyze this coffee. So definitely worth to watch till the very end of the video. Of course, very important to charge our device or even devices, because we have to charge 2 devices, but they are connected or can be connected. So we need just one charging device. For example, this power bank, we can even charge USB-C to C with PD. That's an awesome thing. And you can see we have this connection here and also this connector here. So we put it here on top, and then it's not only charging the vibration plate but the whole device here. Of course, make sure that the charger is turned on, and so we can see the charge here automatically. If it's not showing up, you can click here to start it. What we have to know when we are charging here like this, we have to push again to start it. Usually when you're not charging this device, you can just hit this button once and then it will start automatically. By the way, it's a hardware button, it's not just a touch button, so you have to really push a little bit. Everything else is touch screen here. And after booting up, you can see it shows already here in the app to connect, but I can do that also manually. I click this away. So very important, when the app shows up first, it will be centered here and showing devices which we don't have, because of course here we are talking about the DiFluid Omni and nothing else. We have to go to the left side tab, and then we have still 2 devices. We have the Omni and the Omix, and of course we have the Omni. So we hit this and we also hit here on the left side, maybe click again, and now you can see it starts searching automatically for this device, and it has already found it. If it's not connecting, just restart the phone and maybe restart the Omni again. So I hit connect, and so we have it ready also with the charging information. I mean, you can also operate it easily just as a standalone device. You don't have to use the app. It just delivers a little bit of extra information, and the information a little bit more advanced and a little bit nicer, but it also works here. So I put this on the side first and remove the connection, and you can see here also on top that it's connected. The first thing which you want to do is to calibrate this device, and for that we get this calibration plate with an Agtron of 31.8. By the way, Agtron is a company. They have defined this standard, and what we have to do is to remove the cover, because the calibration collar is hidden here underneath, and so we push it underneath of the measuring device, And now instead of just hitting the screen or push here, we really have to go to the side here, swipe to the left, and then hit the calibration function instead of just measuring it. Otherwise it won't calibrate the device. And so we have a success. It's already done. We can exit and do the normal measurements. And so let's start first with the roast analysis. Opening this bag here. And so for the whole beans which we have here, we have to use the deeper tray size here to do the roast analysis. Very important to fill it right to the top, so it's flush, but don't overfill. It should be just filled up to the top of this tray. I think it's absolutely perfect. And so we put this here on top and then put the main device over it. By the way, down here you can see, here we have the camera inside which is doing the analysis, and here we have the opening which is matching exactly this tray here. So we have to match that it's totally straight. And now of course we are doing the roast analysis, and it starts right away with testing, and we have already the result. And so the result says Agtron City Roast, which is of course exactly medium roast. There's no doubt about that. By the way, we can also see more details here directly on this touch screen. That's super convenient. But we can do exactly the same thing also from the app. We click on test. Here in this case we have beans. You can see it starts testing also here. By the way, I've done this test already now a couple of times, and it shows always exactly the same results. So we have really great consistency here. And so now we have this sample. We can click on details and we can see everything here. But of course we also see everything here nice and clear. There's exactly same thing. So we don't have to use the app for everything. But of course we can do much more here. We have a huge history here of testings. We can export the test results and do much more. And so that was already it regarding the beans. So let's grind some beans so that we can do some analysis with the ground coffee, because there we have even more options. So I do a quick grind here. And so first, of course, we do also the roast analysis here with the ground coffee. So we are taking the other side here. You can see it's a little bit more shallow. It's not the deep recessed side. It's this side here which we are using for the ground coffee. Make sure that it's also perfectly aligned with the top here, not overfilled. I think that's about right. We put it back here, add the Omni on top, and now you can see how it looks in turned off state. We just push here once. So when we are not charging it, after pushing, it goes into the ready state, and so we can go on the left side. By the way, there are 3 different possibilities how to test. We have 2 smart possibilities directly from here, where the device is deciding what we want to do, because there are no other options. So either we click here directly on the ready on the touch screen or on this button here. But if we want to do this manually, we can also click on roast or particle. But of course particle doesn't make any sense here, because for particle measuring we need this tray. So we can just tip here on the ready, and it starts testing automatically the roast degree. And of course, because we have now a ground coffee, it will also judge the inside of the coffee beans and not just the outside. So it's a little bit different. That's absolutely normal, but we still have the medium roast. It has not changed. That's perfect. So we take it away, and now let's do the particle size analysis. We need just a very small amount here, depending on the grind. When we have some coarse coffee ground, we take about 2/3 of this spoon, put it here on top. If we have a very fine ground, then we take only 1/3 of this measuring spoon. And so we remove this one here, put this one down. Just make sure that it's nicely in the center. Here we put the device on top. By the way, also here it has found the distribution here. Always make sure that you're checking everything. And also here we have the history, and so we go back to the main screen. And also here, because we are using this special plate here, the device knows what we want to do now. So we just click on ready. Still says testing, but now we can hear that it's like vibrating here, and so it has detected here a medium particle size. We can also see the distribution here, so we have a pretty even distribution. That's pretty nice. So we have an average size of pretty much exactly 1 millimeter. So let's see if we can make smaller particle size here with this grinder. Keep grinding here a little bit. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, definitely quite a difference. So don't need that anymore. Here's where the brush comes into play. So it's measuring then the new grounds. And again, here for the smaller grounds, we are taking just about 1/3 of this measuring spoon. Or if you don't know what it is, just take about half of the size of this measuring spoon. Put it down again. Put the testing device on top. Go back to the main screen and start it this time with this button here, but you can see it does exactly same thing. And so of course this device has now detected the particle size, so it's much smaller now, only around 660 micrometer, medium to fine ratio 40%. Can see even the count, single counts of this ground here, absolutely amazing. We can see now distribution. We have even some super small particles, but most in this area around 660 micrometers. So this is absolutely amazing. You can see the real change, and that was no fake, that was real testing, and even in the first attempt. And I don't have a lot of experience, so you can see how nice and easy this works directly here on the main device or while using the app. But you really don't have to use the app. Here we have really everything, even again the history with all the details. You can see the last one here is the details. So super easy to use. And of course we have also some settings here regarding the roast, regarding particle size with the automatic diffuser activating, which we had, of course, general information, device info, factory reset, and so on and so on. And so after doing all these tests, I can definitely confirm that everything has been working really nicely. It was super easy to set up, super easy to use. There were no major obstacles. I'm just not 100% sure regarding the size. I mean, here the Omni has detected 1 millimeter particle size. I mean, of course, I have not been taking the largest one, been taking rather smaller ones from here, but when you see the difference, I mean, especially here in the grinder, I mean, this is super fine powder, and I am not 100% sure if that is still 600 nanometers majority. I mean, it has detected some smaller particles, that's perfect, but I think the majority is smaller particles. But I mean, of course, I can't judge here. This is just one assumption from here, absolutely not 100% sure. Could be because of the small spoon size that I also here picked very small particles here. So the difference is smaller than what you see here from the eyes. That could be something. Would have to run more tests to figure this out. But I would say definitely great job regarding the roast analysis anyway. So again, would say a really nice gift for you or for your friends or family members or whatsoever. If you know that somebody is a coffee enthusiast, searching for the perfect coffee or grinding or even roasting its own coffee, then this could be absolutely perfect. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this DiFluid Omni, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.